ROM stores permanent system instructions and firmware, enabling a computer to boot and operate reliably. My today's video is about top 5 best computer ROM that's are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at G.Skill Computer ROM. The G.Skill Ripjaws V DDR4 Memory Kit F43600C18332GVK is a high-performance solution designed for gamers and PC enthusiasts seeking reliability and speed. With a total capacity of 32GB, 2x16GB, it operates at DDR4-3600 speeds with CL18-22-22-42 timings at 1.35V, delivering smooth multitasking, fast application load times, and responsive gaming performance. This non-ECC 288-pin UDAMM kit is optimized for desktop PCs and includes both JEDEC default profiles and Intel XMP memory overclocking profiles, allowing easy performance tuning for overclocking enthusiasts. The Ripjaws V series is built for stability, but G.Skill emphasizes using the kit as a matched set, as mixing memory kits can lead to instability or system failure. For optimal compatibility, users are advised to consult G.Skill's memory QVL or RAM configurator. Overall, this kit combines speed, reliability, and ease of use, making it a dependable choice for building or upgrading a high-performance desktop or gaming system. Now our second product is NetAct Computer ROM. The NetAct DDR4 Shadow 232GB, 2x16GB memory kit is designed to elevate gaming and computing performance. Operating at speeds up to 3200 MHz in dual-channel configuration, it significantly improves data transfer between the memory and memory controller, resulting in faster game loading, smoother frame rates, and a more realistic gaming experience. Beyond gaming, this DDR4 kit supports video playback, editing, graphic design, and other memory-intensive tasks, making it versatile for both office and entertainment use. The upgraded aluminum heat spreader and hollow-top design ensure efficient heat dissipation, even in compact builds, maintaining stability under heavy workloads. Built on an 8-layer PCB, the NetAct DDR4 Shadow 2 provides reliable performance and energy-efficient operation, reducing the risk of system lag or crashes due to memory shortages. Its combination of speed, capacity, and thermal management makes it an excellent choice for users looking to upgrade or expand their desktop memory for gaming, productivity, and multimedia tasks. Our third product is Crucial Computer ROM. The 32GB DDR5 RAM kit, 2x16GB, offers next-level performance and style for modern desktop systems. Operating at blazing speeds up to 6400 MHz with CL32 latency, it is designed to enhance gaming, multitasking, and overall system responsiveness, ensuring smooth performance even in memory-intensive applications. Low latency performance makes a noticeable difference in fast-paced gaming, delivering higher frame rates and seamless gameplay for AAA titles. Overclocking enthusiasts will appreciate the extended timings of 32-40-40-103, which, combined with Micron's advanced memory technology, provide stable performance and reduced latency for demanding workloads. This kit supports both Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD Expo, offering reliable overclocking and broad compatibility with Intel Core Ultra Series 2, Ryzen 9000 series CPUs, and newer platforms. Beyond performance, the DDR5 modules feature a striking battle-ready heat spreader in Snowfox White or Stealth Matte Black Camo, adding bold tactical aesthetics to any build. Overall, this RAM kit combines elite speed, low latency, and premium design for gamers and PC enthusiasts seeking high-performance memory. Now number 4, G.Skill Computer ROM. The G.Skill Triton Z Neo DDR4 Memory Kit F43600C1AQ32GTZN is a high-performance solution designed for gamers and PC enthusiasts seeking both speed and reliability. With a total capacity of 32GB, 4x8GB, it operates at DDR4-3600 with CL18-22-22-42 timings at 1.35V, offering fast and responsive performance for gaming, content creation, and multitasking. This non-ECC 288-pin UDAMM kit is optimized for desktop PCs and gaming systems. It includes JEDEC default profiles as well as Intel XMP overclocking profiles, allowing users to easily boost performance without complex setup. G.Skill emphasizes using memory kits as matched sets, as mixing different kits can lead to stability issues or system failure. For best results, users should consult G.Skill's Memory QVL or RAM configurator tool to verify motherboard compatibility. Overall, the Triton Z Neo kit combines high-speed performance, stability, and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for building or upgrading a reliable, high-performance desktop system for gaming and professional applications. And our last choice is Lexar Computer RAM. The Lexar Aries Gen 2 RGB DDR5 RAM is designed to elevate gaming performance and aesthetics for next-gen desktop systems. Operating at speeds up to 6,400 metric tons per second with CL32 latency, it delivers fast, responsive, and stable performance, ideal for gaming, multitasking, and demanding applications. Its support for Intel XMP 3.0 and AMD Expo ensures easy overclocking while maintaining reliability. Vibrant RGB lighting, synchronized through Lexar RGB Sync, adds a visually striking element to any gaming setup. The kit features a customized PCB and premium 1.88mm aluminum heat spreader for improved overclocking performance and efficient heat dissipation, keeping the system cool during extended gaming sessions. Advanced DDR5 error correction code enhances stability and prevents system crashes, while the built-in power management IC, PMIC, optimizes energy consumption, balancing peak performance with energy efficiency. Backed by a lifetime limited warranty, the Lexar Aries Gen 2 RGB DDR5 RAM combines high-speed performance, reliable stability, efficient thermal management, and eye-catching design, making it a top choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.